Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Today we have a new lesson for our school, Qatar Technical School, and this is an English lesson for grade 10 for Technical English 1. And today our first lesson is Enrichment 1. It's the first lesson of a series of enrichment exercises. Okay, in our enrichment, you have some papers, and we're going to see the answers for these papers. Complete these sentences. Use words from the box. Use is, are, or do. Here we have 5 questions and 5 spaces, so we're going to use some words more than one. Or all are questions. So let's see. Number 1, what your name. 2, where you from. 3, what you do. 4, John, you a builder. Peter, the engine on. Okay, so take a minute to think of the answers for this exercise. Okay, now let's check the answers together. Number 1 is, very good, is. What is your name? Number 2, where are you from? 3, what do you do? And we said that what do you do means what's your job. 4, John, are you a builder? Are you a builder? Number 5, Peter, is the engine on? Okay, so now let's move to the next exercise. Okay, now in this exercise we need to underline the correct word in brackets. Okay, we need to put a line under the correct answer. Let's read number 1 together. Please raise or lower the temperature from 25 to 20 degrees Celsius. So please, the temperature درجة الحرارة from 25 to 20. So is it going up or going down here from 25 to 20? So the answer is lower, قلل. Okay, number 2, I need a spanner or screwdriver for these nuts and bolts. Okay, can we use the screwdriver for nuts and bolts? Of course not. So the correct answer is spanner. We use the spanner for nuts and bolts, but we use the screwdriver for, very good, screws. Number 3, please pick up or put down your pen and write your name. Okay, when you want to write your name, you must have the pen in your hand. So you should pick it up. Pick up. Please pick up your pen and write your name. Finally, my TV adapter or antenna is on the roof of my house. The roof, what do we put on the roof? Can we put the adapter on the roof? Of course not. What we put on the roof is the antenna. Good. Okay, now exercise 3 is write the following numbers, letters, and symbols, رموز in words. To do this exercise, please, you have to revise how to write numbers and also the symbols like kg, km, this circle, and CV. Okay, you have this in the book and in one of the videos, so please revise them. Okay, so what is this number? 17. And what is this symbol? This is kilograms. So the answer should be 17 kilograms. 17 kilograms. Number 2, what is this number? This is 314. And this symbol is kilometers. So 314 kilometers. Okay, number 3, what is this number? It's 80, not 18. 80. And this circle is degrees, and this is Celsius مئوية. So 80 degrees Celsius. 80 degrees Celsius. Finally, 240 or 240, and V stands for, excellent, volts. So the answer is 240 volts. 240 volts. Good. Okay, exercise number 4. Complete the questions. Use words from the box. Okay, what or what's? What is the difference between these two? This is what is. So we can't use what's when we have is or are in the sentence. We use it only when we don't have is or are. So number 1, this cold. 2, are these cold in English? 3, color do you need? 4, your phone number. Okay, so I ask you please to pause the video for a minute or two, then come back for checking the answers together. Okay, now I think you've paused the video, so now let's check the answers. Number 1, what's the answer? Excellent. What's this called? What's this called? You use this question when you don't know the name of something. Number 2, are these called in English? Are these called in English? So we use, here we have are, so we use what? What are these called in English? Also, you use this question when you don't know the meaning of words in English. 3, color do you need? Can we say what's color? No, we say what color? What color do you need? And finally, what's your phone number? What's your phone number? Excellent. Okay, now we need to underline the correct word in brackets. All these words about this, that, these, and those. You have to remember very well that we use this for singular things which are near to us. المفرد القريب. That we use it for singular things which are far from us. بنستخدمها للقريب. البعيد مفرد. These and those, we use these and those for the plural, but these for the near, those for the far things. Okay, these الجمع القريب, those الجمع البعيد. So we have to be very careful. For example, number 1, we can't have is and use these. It's impossible because is used for the mufrad, for the singular. So we use this. What's this called in English? So is and this both talk about the singular, mufrad. Number 2, what are? We use are for the plural, so the answer should be those. Very good. Number 3, what? Here again we have are. We can't use this, and we must use here these or those, but here we have only these to choose from. Okay. Finally, what's that called in English? Or what's those called in English? Excellent. The answer is that. Okay. That's the end for today's video, and see you later. We have 2 other videos for enrichment. Goodbye.